not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We can reach away, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am finally back with a brand new video for you guys today. This video is going to be a productive day in my life vlog. I don't really have anything planned for today, but I do want to spring clean my room and organize. I'm actually going to go to the Dollar Tree and probably Five Below in the next hour or so, just so I can get some stuff to organize and clean with. I decided to bring you guys along because I was like, what's a better video than a productive day in my life? You know, it inspires people to get up and go do some stuff. If y'all enjoy this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, which is linked in the down below, and make sure y'all go and follow me on all my social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, just because those are apps that I'm usually most active on. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So I was actually going to make up my bed, but then I was like, if I'm cleaning today, I might as well just wash all of my sheets and stuff since I'm cleaning. Like, that just makes the most sense. So I'm not even gonna bother. As y'all can see, that's my desk right there, and there's a bunch of stuff on there just because I've been like filming this morning and stuff, so it's kind of messy. But I kind of want to get some more stuff just to organize because it always feels super cluttered to me. I need to get like batteries for my lights because none of my lights work. Like, I got all these lights in my room and none of them work because all the batteries are dead. And then in my closet, Papo. There's a dog, by the way. Here's my closet, and it doesn't look too bad when you first walk in. I just want to get some stuff to organize this. So we're gonna go to the store. Come on, guys, let's go. It is so freaking hot in Texas already. It is not even summer yet. Like, spring just started 2 weeks ago. And when I tell y'all, it's damn near 100 degrees out here. We made it to the stove. Yay! When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it. So y'all, I got the goods. When I say I just spent $87, I am not lying. I just spent $87 in this store. I'm not even gonna go to Dollar Tree because I actually found everything here in Five Below. So y'all, I am back home now, and before I start cleaning and whatnot, I want to show y'all what I got at Five Below. So the first thing I got at Five Below is just 3 packs of batteries. But these things were $3.99 a piece, so I really hope these batteries last. I'm going to use these to put in all of my lights because all my lights have batteries currently, but they don't work. So next, I had to get some for my dog. I'm a pet nail grinder because if y'all don't know, my dog's nails are extremely long. So for the longest, I've been needing a new phone case and screen protector because both of them are almost over a year old. I got another screen protector, it's just basic tempered glass, and then I got this really nice flowery phone case. Thought it was cute. Just keep the phone protected. That's all that matters. So it took me a minute to decide if I wanted to get this or not, but I just decided to pick up another sheet set because currently I have black sheets on my bed, but I'm going to wash them today. I was like, let me get a backup sheet set because I don't have one. So now going into the stuff that I really went into the store for, I actually got some stuff to organize. So I found these 2 packs of these collapsible bins, and honestly I didn't even realize it was a 2-pack until I got home and started reading the receipt. So I'm probably going to use these in my closet just to store some of my shoes and purses and stuff like that, just because the ones that I have are starting to tear up. Then I found this really nice fridge caddy. I'm going to use it to hold some of my water bottles. Next, I got this really nice 3-shelf hanging closet organizer. So basically, like, you hang this up in the closet and you can put like clothes and stuff on it, and you can hang stuff from it as well. Then I found this really nice acrylic storage container. I'm actually going to use this to store all of my paint in. So the last thing I bought from Five Below is something else for the dogs, and it's a 20-pound rolling food storage cart. So basically I can put all of Paco's dry kibble in here. But yeah, I can't wait to use this thing. It comes with like little wheels to attach it. The wheels are here on the lid, but yeah, you just put them on there and you can roll it around. So yeah, y'all, that was everything that I got at Five Below. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get to clean this room because I really don't want to be doing this all day. So I'm going to first of all take my sheets off the bed and wash them, and then we're probably gonna start in the closet, and then I'll work my way out into the room.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a panic on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Flying by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid.
We're about to move into the closet. So I took as much as I could out of the closet. As y'all can see, all these freaking containers are just full of random stuff. Like I got shoes, purses, it's just so much stuff. So this little rod here, you can like hang it up and then hang stuff from the bottom of it. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put that up there.
Now we're sharing shrooms. Only talking for 3 days, but I think I love you too. Protecting my heart out here, I gotta play it cool. Hand on my chest.
I'm just gonna use this to put a lot of my smaller purses in. So before I hang all of my purses, I'm gonna take this piece of cardboard and like cut it and then put it in here on these little shelves, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but these shelves don't really have any strength to them.
But keep it between you and me.
And I know this might look a little tacky, but to be honest, you really won't be able to see it once I put the purses in there.
Bet you right mind, rocket you. Checking the horoscopes, I hope it's meant to be. Pisces and Cancers, you're a part of me. Telling me about the last nigga that broke your heart.
So y'all, I went ahead and put all the purses and stuff in there, and it doesn't look perfect, but it works. Now I just got to figure out what I'm gonna do with all these shoes. So I have, which I don't know where I put them, there they are, these little containers here, and so
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
On this one, we have all of my heels, and in here I just have some flats and then my Converse high tops or whatever. Here in this one I have just 2 pairs of Crocs, because I was gonna put my Crocs in these, but I would have to use all of these to put my Crocs, because Crocs are really bulky. And then in this one it's just like a belt, and then I also have a bunch of hats, so like my beret hat, beanies for like the winter. But now I'm about to go ahead and start organizing this little section. Now I'm about to go ahead and start putting some of this stuff back in the closet and organizing some of this.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you.
So y'all, I think I am done with the closet now. I am so happy with the outcome. So now I'm going to finish organizing the rest of my room. So next I'm going to focus on this area.
Let it go. Don't let it slip away. First touch, get left in the dust.
So guys, I just did a bunch of moving around just now. I originally had my refrigerator over here in this corner, and I was trying to like hang the fridge caddy from it, which it did fit with me like scooting Paco's cage up. I kind of thought about it and I was like, I really don't want my refrigerator sitting next to his cage no longer, because when I say I have to clean around my refrigerator every other day just because I don't want like dog hair and stuff on it, I decided to move it into this corner and move this little rolly cart that was in that corner over there, because it'll make a little more sense. Now the only thing is I'm limited with my little fridge caddy. Like down here in this corner under the bed, I have like my bottles kind of sticking out the side of the caddy. You can't really see it, but yeah, they're like in there. On this other side here, obviously there's no space. So for this side of the caddy, I won't really be using it. So y'all, I am almost done now. I finally cleared all that stuff off my bed. I got the trash right there. We're finna go put it in the bigger bag, and then I just got to put those containers and a few more things in the storage. And now I'm just about to put batteries in the rest of my lights and then wipe down a few more things. After this, I'm about to chill for a minute, give me something to eat, and then study for the rest of the day. I was very productive. Like I said, I got the closet done. I got all this stuff organized, moved some stuff around, and now my room is feeling like it's been spring cleaned, and I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here because I don't have too much else to do today. I will see y'all in my next video, which will probably be at the end of this week. I'm planning on vlogging for like Easter weekend, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, which is linked in that down below. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media so you can keep up with my life. Bye bye.
Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'll be fine without you. Guess you found out all the